Hydrofarm stock has significant upside potential. The company will likely benefit from a revolution in controlled environment agriculture and movement towards marijuana legalization across the U.S. Marijuana stocks have risen since the U.S. presidential election. Should you buy the HYFM stock IPO? Investors should consider buying the HYFM stock IPO based on the strong growth outlook. The global market for vertical farming, valued at an estimated $2.5 billion in 2018, is set to reach $9.7 billion in value by 2025, according to a 2018 market research report by Grand View Research. The key reason for the anticipated growth is the increased adoption of fruits and vegetables produced in an environmentally friendly manner. Also, indoor farming can produce crops throughout the whole year and protect crops from extreme weather conditions. Hydrofarm's net revenue rose 40.5% in the first 9 months of 2020 to $254.8 million. The company reported a net income of $2.13 million in the first 9 months of 2020 compared to a net loss of $22.4 million in the same period last year.